Hello, good morning students. Saturday we had started with the lesson The Laughing King. There is a king in the palace and he laughed at the people, and then the first person to whom he laughed, he went in the garden. He wanted to take a round in the garden and he wanted to see beautiful garden before in front of his palace. And when he went over there, that time when he was taking round, at that time he saw that there is a Griselda walking in hurry. Griselda was a witch. Okay, I told you, Jadugarin. Wizard means Jadugar and witch means Jadugarin. And then she was walking in hurry, and when she was walking in hurry, she falls down in the paddle means what? Muddy water. Muddy water मध्ये ती पडल्यानंतर काय झालं? When king saw her, he should help her or not. Instead of that, what he did, he was laughing. He laughed at her and then she got angry. She said, "What silly person, what foolish king you are. Instead of helping me to come outside of the paddle, you are laughing at me." And then she says that, "Wait, I will do one magic. I will do magic on you that whoever you will meet or wherever you will go today, you will laugh." And she says, "Jung Mung Shung." ती काय करती? जादू करती. Jung Mung Shung. She says that and she goes away from there. Then what happens? Then king goes in the palace, and when he walks in the palace, at that time he meets his wife. Queen is with a plate full of cakes. राणीने काय तयार केलेले होते? केक तयार केलेला होता. And then she went over there and she said, "King, this is my special cake which I have made for you. This is a special cake which I have made for you and I want you to eat it." And then when king took that plate in his hand, now that plate was also very precious. खूप महागाची होती ती plate. What he did, he was looking towards the plate and he started laughing. Ha 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 ha. And then queen said, "What happened in that to laugh? What is the reason behind laughing on it?" She said that, "You will fall it." And what happens? The plate falls down from the hand of king. King what? What is name of the king? From the hand of King Leonard. Okay, the name of the king is what? Leonard. Then what happens further? Then his wife becomes so angry and she starts crying. राणी काय करती? रडायला लागती. Then what happens further? Then also he laughs. Ha 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 ha. And then here it is. I am reading here now. Take out your page number 55. I am reading here. Princess Cynthia comes and see her father laugh and her mother cry. Cynthia is his daughter. Cynthia comes over there and she says that, "Arey father, why are you laughing?" And mother is crying. What is wrong? Then Cynthia asks her father, "Father, we can hear your laugh all over the palace, but why are you laughing? And that too when mother is crying over her broken plate." Leonard, unable to control himself, ha ha ha, ho ho ho. Okay. Cynthia, consoling her mother, "Never mind, Mama. I will pick up the broken pieces and try to mend the plate. Start collecting the pieces. Oh, I have cut my finger." Leonard, laughing louder, ha ha ha, ho 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 ho. Cynthia, staring at her father angrily. Staring म्हणजे काय? बघणे. Okay. Staring at her father angrily. "Father, how can you laugh even when I have cut my finger?" Boo. Ooh. Yes sir, when you cut your finger, what do you say? Ooh. Okay. Then what happens further? Leonard, "Ho ho ho. I should stop laughing. He he he. But I cannot. Ha ha ha. Let me go and consult my councils of wise men. Ho ho ho. Ha ha ha. They will know what to do." Now scene 3. The wise men are holding a meeting with the ruler of the neighboring kingdom, King Ferdinand. The king enters the chamber followed by the attendants. Now what happened? When queen prepares cake for King Leonard, what happens? King Leonard falls her plate and then he laughs at her and she cries. Cynthia, his daughter, comes over there and she says that, "Father, Why are you laughing? Mother is crying. She has her favorite plate has been broken. Then why are you laughing? Then Cynthia tells her mother, consoling her. Console means what? She is. Then when Cynthia says that, sir, father, why are you laughing? She has broken her plate. Then what is wrong? Then he says that I cannot control myself. And he is not able to express, he is not able to tell that Griselda which has done magic on me. त्याला सांगताच येत नाही. Okay, king is not able to tell Cynthia. Then what he is telling that let me go in palace, I will meet some councils of men and I will ask help from them. I think they will help me. Now he is going in palace. Now he should not do some more tragic, or you can say he should not do tragedy in the palace. He should not laugh on kings. And now some other kingdoms, kings from other kingdoms are coming over there. Name of one king is already given. King Ferdinand is coming over there. Now what is discussion going between King Ferdinand and King Leonard, that we are going to study in scene 3. Okay, here in scene 3. Wise men. Your Majesty, King Ferdinand has come with a complaint that thieves from our kingdom have stolen fruits from his orchard. Leonard, helplessly holding his sides and roaring with laughter. Ha 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 ho ho ho. Ferdinand in anger. How dare you laugh at my complaint? I will not put up with this sort of insult. I will soon be back with my army. Leonard, ha ha ha. Don't go, my friend. Ho ho ho. Turning to his wise men, stop him, wise men. Ha ha ha. Stop King Ferdinand, wise men. But your Majesty, what makes you laugh at this serious hour? Leonard, ha ha ha. Sorry, I can't help laughing. Ha ha ha. Due to witch Griselda's magic. Ha ha ha. Wise men, the witch's magic? Well, let's all go to witch Griselda and request her to help the king. Now scene 4. The palace garden. The king enters with his wise men. They see the witch still sitting there with a frown on her face. Frown means what? Anger on her face. She was fallen in muddy water. She is trying to wipe all mud from her body. Okay. Then what does wise men of King Leonard says her? Wise men. Oh witch Griselda, our dear king is sick of laughing. Please free him from the spell. Griselda, no, no, no. Why did he laugh at me when I fell into the puddle? Wise men, do forgive him, please. Leonard, I am sorry, witch Griselda. Ha ha ha. I hurt your feelings when I laughed at you when you fell into the puddle. But because of your spell, I hurt my wife's feelings and then my daughters and my friends by laughing at their misfortunes. Ha ha ha. I promise you, I will never laugh at you. I will never laugh at others. Ha ha. Griselda, since you are sorry about your behavior, I will give you one chance. But if you ever laugh at anyone's trouble, King Leonard, never, never again. Ho ho ho. King is saying, Then Griselda, Shung mung jung. Back to your normal self, King Leonard. Now last, King Leonard. At last I have stopped laughing. What a relief. Thank you very much, witch Griselda. Thank you. Now I will write a letter of apology to King Ferdinand. I will get a set of new plates for my queen. Bring my daughter Cynthia. I will stick a plaster on her poor finger. But first, let me present a new dress to dear old witch Griselda. And all three cheers for the king. Understood what happened? Have you understood what has happened in the lesson? Here that what he did, he hurted his queen, he hurted his daughter, he hurted Ferdinand. Ferdinand, king of another kingdom, he comes over there and he tells that, sir, there are thieves from your kingdom and they have come in my kingdom and they have stolen fruits from the orchards. And he is telling, ha ha ha. King Ferdinand got angry. He said, you are laughing on this reason. I have come here with serious complaint and you are laughing at me. Let me go back. I will bring army and then I will fight with you. When Ferdinand says that King Leonard is trying to stop him, but can he stop King Ferdinand? No, because he keeps on laughing, because that was what? That was magic done on Leonard. King Ferdinand goes and then King Leonard tells wise men in his kingdom that because of which Griselda's magic I am doing this all things. And then all wise men goes to Griselda in the garden. At that time she is wiping only her mud. And she says that no, I will not take my spell back. Spell back म्हणजे मी जे बोललेले शब्द, that he will laugh all the time. I will not take my spell back. And then when wise man says that he has hurted his wife, he has hurted his daughter, he has hurted King Ferdinand, please you take your words back. And at that time then she says Jung Mung Shung, he will become normal. And then King Leonard says that I will bring, first of all I will bring some sets of plate for my queen. I will write down apology letter to Ferdinand, King Ferdinand, that I am sorry. Something like this has happened, that he will write down in his apology. Then he said that go and call my daughter, I want to put plaster on her poor finger. And before that he says that Griselda has fallen in the puddle, in muddy water. First I would like to bring, or first I will bring new dress for which? Griselda. And then all three wise men, King Leonard and King which Griselda, says that 3 cheers for king. Ha ha ha. And in this way the lesson ends. Tomorrow we will complete question answers of the lesson. Okay, thank you.